The Ricoh Pro C9200 series supports a wide variety of papers. The supported paper weight ranges from 52.3 to 450 GSM. A liquid-cooled belt conditions the paper to an appropriate temperature to optimize finished printed materials. The printer is capable of handling a variety of media types, including textured and digital carbonless media. It can even print on delivery notes, for which there is a great demand in digital printing. A Ricoh unique fuser unit with a parallel nip structure has been implemented, allowing envelopes to be printed at the same speed. The printer handles paper sizes up to 1260 mm in simplex mode. Auto duplex printing is possible for media up to 1030 mm in length. Moreover, for auto duplex printing of long sheets up to 700 mm, the registration function ensures high accuracy in image positioning on both sides.